This year, Hollywood maintenance. We're at one of these Whirlpool duets again. We already have it up because we're going to do the drain pump. See how I put the date from the last time I was here? I want to show you how to check the codes. Three and 3 sequence. F7E1. F9E2. You keep hitting soil and you keep jumping to the next code. When you hear that 3 beeps, that means you reach the end. Down here is the book. Hold this. Get my other phone out. Here's all the codes. So we'll see what F7E1 means. Drive motor tachometer. Okay. Well, this isn't draining, so that could be part of the problem. F9E2. Which probably has to do with the drain because the door's not unlocking. It's probably the door itself. Yeah, door lock error. So either this door lock's bad or the drain pump's just clogged. So I just want to show you how to advance to the next one. And we hear that 3 beats, it starts over. As you can see, how to clear that, you press and hold soil for like 5 seconds. See, and then it goes to 88, clears the codes. We're going to unplug it as we work on it, so this way it will also clear the board. And we'll go from there once we get this door open and check the drain. Well, at least we know the codes now. Alright, we're about to pull the filter. Looks pretty empty. Point, and we're going to check that hose back there, see if there's a clog or something. We've taken all the clothes out, and this was going down the drain. It was really shoved in there, really good. I bet you it was blocking the holes. I got it all messed up. Well, we're still going to check the hose. That could be part of the problem. We'll see. And we'll keep digging. And then we're going to run the test. We found this. And the holes right here. Blocking all the holes. Looks like they haven't been taking care of this. Always check in here. See, there's more stuff. Gotta get all this stuff out. We're gonna look for leaks or rips in the bellow. Make sure see more hair. We're gonna put something in the holes here like a zip tie. Just let's see if it's clear anything we can. All right, got their zip tie here. We're just gonna plunge it in the holes here. Just want to clear it as much as possible. So it goes all the way through on the other side. This way, you know it's clear. I'm gonna do all what is there, 4 or 5 holes here. Just want to make sure. Sometimes hair gets stuck. I think that's it. Yep, that's nothing. So there's 4 holes. Looks like we got it all clear. We're gonna put the cap back and we're gonna show you how to run the diagnostics now. All right, got the hose pulled off. Don't really see anything in that black hose. Doesn't mean it couldn't be up here. So I'll show you what else would I do before we run the test. Okay, we pulled the drain hose from the wall where it leaks down. See all this stuff? We're just gonna clean all this stuff up too. And we just take a shot back, put it on the top, and then we're gonna fire it up. Just try to make it as tight as possible. That way we can clear out the line, suck all the water out. It's good to put a towel over it too. That way it's more of a tight of a seal that you can get, the better. What this is doing is clearing all the water out of here, getting any like hair or whatever else. You can do it to hammer out the bottom. I just find it easier right here. Got it the best we can. Looks good. Good enough. A lot clearer. So we're gonna put it back and do a test. Since I don't have enough room to hold and do this at the same time, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to zip tie this together so it doesn't fly out. It's either that or I could put a screw over there because there's a screw hole. But I didn't bring a screw. See the screw hole. So I'm just going to zip tie it to there so it doesn't fall out easy. Got that phone back up, so here we go. See? Nice and clean. Now it won't just fly out. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in diagnostics. So, in these Whirlpools, just like at my other videos, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you already know, the soil from earlier in the video, that's to advance. I already cleared it, so I already know it's gonna get 88. But we're going to run some diagnostics on it, see if there's any codes after doing the diagnostics. So you press spin, the middle one, and then you hit this like, I think it's like 5 times. There we go. We got to wait for the light to come off. Now the door's locking, spinning a little bit. Now it unlocked and then it's going to lock and then start. Then we'll see for any leaking that they were talking about. Alright, we're in the drain cycle now. I hear the water going through the drain in the back, which it wasn't draining before. I have my cold whipper chains on the floor. Check for any leaks at the bottom over here. We want to be sure because it said it was leaking and not draining. I think I'll show you where I think the leak's coming from once I get the door open and check for the code. We're looking for 88. Okay, went through all the cycles. Now we'll check for the 88 code. Looking for 88 once the lights go off. Okay, went through all the codes, all the cycles with no codes. So we're gonna run another diagnostics as we're putting this back together. But I'll show you what I think were the little leaking's coming from. All right, where I think the leak's coming from, because I can see right here on the front of this how it's dripping down, and see all this crud right here. Okay, that's because they're not cleaning. On these front loaders, they're really touchy. So, see all this crud right here? At the bottom here? They have to clean this glass. Any little hairs and stuff like that will cause a leak. They can't have that. They're gonna wash clothes anyway. So get a dirty shirt or something, towel, dirty, clean all this stuff up before you do the wash. Even right here, any little hairs right here will cause all this little dripping right here. Maybe if they took better care of this washer too. Another thing I suggest, when you're done with the wash, see all this black stuff right here and stuff? It's because they're not taking care of it. When you're done with the wash, you got to keep this door propped open for a couple hours so it could dry in there. Just so you know. After a couple hours and it dries, then you could shut it. Or just leave it like this. Doesn't matter, but it needs time to dry so this way it doesn't create all that bacteria and stuff. So I thought I wanted to point that out. This is not ripped. Can't take care of it anyway, so I'm not going to put a new one in the meantime. And I think this was installed wrong anyway, because I believe this goes over here on this side. So we'll put that over the lip. Get down here. I mean, it works still, but this should actually be over the lip like this. Since it's already on, might be a pain. See how it goes on like that? That's the way it's supposed to be, so that's the way we're gonna do it. Alright, so I just wanted to point that out. We'll put it back over the lip so it won't get sucked down so easy. And I just want to tell you how to take care of this a little bit more. Once a month, I would put 1 cup of bleach inside the tub, not here, in the dispenser drawer. And run a cycle. Leave the door propped open, keep it nice and fresh in there. And my other thing was, they say if you wash clothes right after cleaning the cycle, then it suggests you do whites because you just cleaned it with bleach, or get that washer cleaner stuff. Well, I got to go to my next project. I just thought I would shoot another quick video. I'm putting in diagnostics. We're going to do it one more time. Like it's showing 88. It's going to be good. We're going to run it one more time, like I said, but I got to go to my next one. So if this was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch you on the next video.